Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to the video. Today, we'll explore how to make delicious and healthy tofu soup at home. You'll learn about different tofu types, how to prep them, and tips for building amazing flavors. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered why some restaurant soups taste so much better than the ones you make at home? Often, the secret lies in how they use simple, high-protein ingredients like tofu. Many people think of tofu as a bland or boring block of soy. However, it is actually a kitchen powerhouse, especially when you toss it into a bubbling pot of broth. Because tofu has a neutral flavor, it acts like a literal sponge. It soaks up every bit of ginger, garlic, and savory seasoning you add to your recipe. Making soup with tofu is one of the easiest ways to get a healthy meal on the table in under 30 minutes. Whether you are a dedicated vegan or just someone trying to eat less meat, this plant-based protein fits perfectly into almost any bowl. You don't need fancy culinary skills to get it right, either. If you can boil water and chop a few veggies, you can master these dishes. This guide will show you how to choose the right variety and prep it for the best possible taste. Finding the right tofu for your perfect pot of soup. Before you start cooking, you must head to the grocery store and pick the right container. You will usually see 4 main types: silken, soft, firm, and extra firm. Choosing the wrong one can change the entire feel of your dinner. For example, if you want a chunky stew but use a delicate variety, the pieces will disintegrate into the liquid. On the other hand, using a dense block in a light broth might feel too heavy for some palates. The firmness of the tofu depends on how much water was pressed out during the making process. Extra firm varieties contain very little water, so they stay dense and chewy. This makes them ideal for recipes where you want to see distinct cubes floating in the bowl. Soft versions contain more moisture, providing a texture that is almost like a custard. Because these differences are so huge, you should always check the label carefully before checking out at the store. Texture plays a massive role in how we enjoy our food. Some people love the contrast of a firm bite against a soft vegetable. Others prefer a uniform, silky experience that slides right down. Most beginners find that firm tofu is the easiest to work with because it is more forgiving. You can stir it, boil it, and move it around without worrying about it falling apart. As you get more comfortable, you can start experimenting with the softer types to see which one your family likes best. That's the basics of making tofu soup, from silken to firm tofu. In part 2, we'll dive into advanced tips, marinating, searing, and ways to elevate your soup even further. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.